How to play golf battle with friends. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to play golf battle with your friends in just a few easy steps. Whether you are on your iPhone or Android, I'll show you how to set up a game, invite your friends, and have fun together. Let's get started. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download and open the game. First, download Golf Battle from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the game and log in. I recommend logging in with Facebook so you can easily connect with friends. Step 2. Add your friends. Tap the friends icon on the main screen. From there, you can connect your Facebook account or send an invite link using apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. This will help you find and add your friends in the game. Step 3. Create a private match. On the home screen, tap the Play with Friends button. Now, select a game mode Classic for a calm experience or Rush for something fast-paced. Tap Create Room and you will get an invite code. Step 4. Share the code. Send that code to your friends. They will need to open Golf Battle, tap Play with Friends, and then join with the code. Once everyone joins, hit Start and let the fun begin. Tips for a better experience. Make sure everyone has a stable internet connection and the latest version of the game. You can also customize your ball and trail for a more personal touch. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to play golf battle with friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.